Hooty-hoo, all my stock market gamblers. I'm Tall Mike. Today is Wednesday, September 30th, the last trading day of the quarter here. We're going into October. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Did you all catch, I don't even know what to call it. I guess they call it debates. They did them last night, the presidential candidates. It was a train wreck, just a train wreck. I mean, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed for our country. I love our country. Are these really the best we got? I don't know. I don't know what to make of it all. It's a train wreck. You know what else is a train wreck? The economy. The economy's a train wreck. Oh my goodness. We got the GDP come out today. It is collapsing. It is in free fall. It is down 31.4% on an annualized rate basis. This is terrible, terrible. The economy is in free fall. But you know what that did? It was good enough to get the stock market going higher today. Stock market's going higher today. Okay. The reason it's going higher is because the GDP collapsed. They know that the Fed has to come in with more stimulus. All right, so the Democrats, we got a $2.2 trillion deal on the table right now for more stimulus. This may not be enough with the GDP down 31%. That is crazy. That's crazy. But anyways, look. The market's up 400 points today. Did I expect that? Not really. Not after that debate. Actually, after the debate on the futures markets, the Dow was down quite a bit. But this morning they propped it back up with, hopes of a stimulus bill. Well, what we got here, I think, is a head fake going on right now. I think we got a head fake going on. A lot of people are going to get caught up in this. They're going to see the markets up. They're going to have the FOMO, the fear of missing out. They want to get back into the markets. This is a head fake. Let me show you what we talked about yesterday. We talked about the IWM, the Russell 2000. All right, so today we pop right up to that 50-day moving average. Anyways, this is where I'm shorting the market. I don't know. Maybe I'll be wrong. Maybe I'll be right. I don't know. But I think this 400-point bounce today is a head fake. I think it's a gift going into October. I think it's a good time to put some shorts on in the marketplace. Now, anyways, this is the IWM. This is what's going to lead the market lower. Anyways, this is kind of the small caps. It's not the big caps. You won't find things like Amazon, Google, Facebook, Apple. You won't find these in there. These are the small caps. These are the real economy. It's not the ones that are just, some of these tech stocks are just leading the market higher. But I think the Russell 2000 is going to lead the market lower. Now, if this gets through that 50-day moving average right here, if it gets through that, I'm wrong. We're going higher. But I don't think it's going to get through. I think this is the head fake. And I do think we're going to break down below this 200-day moving average. So we got a big drop coming, about 10%, I'd say. Well, 10% these days, we can do that in one day. It's not really that big of a drop anymore, is it? I don't know. I just think this is a head fake. I want you to be cautious here. If I'm wrong, if we get through the 50-day on the Russell, I'll admit I'm wrong and we're going higher. 2 days through, though. I want 2 complete solid days above the 50-day. But anyways, I think that this is the gift going into October. I'd be really cautious here. I think the market's going to pull back. I think it's going to pull back about 10% from here. All right. Anyways, now let's move on. Now, after I say that the market's going to pull back, I'm going to give you 2 stocks that I think are really, really, they're cheap. I don't know, they might go cheaper, but they're cheap. And what am I talking about? All right, I'm talking about marijuana stocks. Marijuana stocks, cannabis stocks. Okay, these stocks were the high flyers when they first came out. And these stocks have only been around, maybe 2-3 years is the length of time they've been around. But These stocks, as the market's going higher, these stocks are just going down, 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 and down. And now we're below $5 on these. Okay. So anyways, both of these stocks I'm going to show you, look at the RSI. It's trading down so low. But when they bounce, okay, when these stocks bounce, this stock went from $5.50, shot up to $19 last time it shot up. When these stocks get ready, they're going to shoot up again. Now, they might not be ready yet. They might not be ready for a while. But they're awfully inexpensive. They're awfully cheap on a relative basis. The MACD's getting down to the bottom here. I think it's worth a shot at this level. Maybe I'm wrong on these. Okay, maybe. Anyways, I'm looking for things that I can, I'm not real bullish on the market. But sometimes these can make a big move in a down market. All right, so anyways, this stock used to trade, went public, I don't know, $30 maybe it went public at, $30, shot up all the way to like $150. But now from $150, we're pulled back down below $5. Can it get cheaper? Absolutely. Can it go bankrupt? Can it go to zero? Yes. But marijuana, it's a drug. People are not going to stop using marijuana. Your personal preferences. I don't smoke. I don't like smoke. I don't like smoke of anything. But a lot of people use marijuana as medical purposes, recreational purposes. Anyways, I don't think marijuana is going away. I do not think so. The other one is another marijuana stock. Okay, take a look at this one. This is Tilray. Tilray, I used to play this thing up above $200. I remember. And this is only a couple years ago. This shot up to $300. It came public, right, maybe around $20, okay? Came public a couple years ago around $20. Went from $20 all the way up to $300. I was trading in the $200 range. Anyways, I was getting in and getting out, getting in, getting out. But anyways, these stocks, they've just plummeted. Once again, this is below $5. Is it going to go back up to $300? Probably not. But anyways, could it get a nice bounce like it did right here? Boom! These things can double, and they can double quickly. These things are cheap at $5. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking, They're below $5 now. Maybe get 100 shares, a few hundred shares, maybe get 1,000 shares. I don't know. It's your own preference. This is just what I'm doing. You don't have to do this. But anyways, put a stop loss in. Look at this. This is coming off at 450 level. Put a stop loss in at 450, and if it breaks it, take it off. Put a stop loss in. These things can go bankrupt. I've had stocks that go bankrupt. I know it's shocking, but sometimes it happens. Sometimes stocks just, they don't do what you think they're going to do. But anyways, this at below $5, I think it's worth a shot. Risk 50 cents in it. If it gets to breaks below 450, bail out. Tilray. So anyways, I'm calling a head fake in the market. Today, up 400 points. I think that's a good opportunity to take a shot on the downside. If I'm wrong, if the IWM breaks above that 50-day, hey, I'm wrong. I'll get out. But otherwise, I think we got a good shot here going into October. I'm nervous about the markets. I don't think they're going up. I think the economy's in a free fall. I think they're going to pump a lot of stimulus in, but I don't think they can keep doing it forever. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm looking at. This isn't financial advice, but if you like looking at charts, anyways, hit that subscribe button. We're going to do more of this. If you want some trading secrets on the stock market, go to stockmarketgambler.com. Stockmarketgambler.com. That's what I am. I'm a stock market gambler. My name's Tall Mike. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this today, but I think we got a head fake in the markets. I'd be real cautious at this level. 400 points up, economy in a train wreck. We'll see what happens. Anyways, get out there and do some trading. I'm Tall Mike, and we'll talk tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye now.